Hi, Miss M6593. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Rufa Armelia Aquino. I am 37 years old from San Jose, Batangas, Philippines. I am married. I have two children and their ages are 18 years old and 11 years old. I am Catholic and I'm high school graduate.
Tell me about your experience.
In my experience as a household here in the Philippines, I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of 1-year-old baby. In my second employer, I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of 3 years old baby.
Okay. So you have two experiences, but here in the Philippines, on your first employer is 1 year old. You are the one took care of the 1 year old, right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
the other one is you took care also a 1 year old until 3 years old now,
Yes.
because you're working until now from your employer, which is in 2022 until now, so almost 4 years, right? So since you have experience taking care of a newborn, so you know how to prepare a milk.
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the diaper if it is full and check the temperature or feed the baby.
Okay, if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your best, what will you do?
Call the attention of the parents.
Okay, what is your reason to work abroad?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it is close to the Philippines in much high salary given to the domestic helper. So in this way, I can help to my family in the Philippines.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or depends on my employer how long they want
Okay,
to
do you know how to prepare Chinese food?
know. Sir. No, sir, ma'am.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I I watch the YouTube and reading the book.
Okay, and also if you have a time or your sir have a time to prepare food, you could ask them if they could teach you, right?
Yes,
Okay, it is okay to you to share job with other helpers.
yes,
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
yes,
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
yes,
It is okay to you to take care of pets and elderly.
yes,
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
yes.
What will be your message for your employer?
To my employer, I'm a hardworking, dedicated, and willing to learn the task you given. If you will hire me, I promise to finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. I hope you choose me as a helper. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Rufa. Thank you.